Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you whether or not the Redmi 13 has dual SIM support. The Redmi 13 does have dual SIM support. In order to input your second SIM card, you first want to take off the protective case off of your phone. Once you do so, you want to pop out the SIM tray and take it out. And as you can see, inside the SIM tray there's slot number 1 and then slot number 2. You can put one SIM card in here and then the other into the slot number 2, like such. Though take into account that the same slot is also used for memory cards. So if you want to use a memory card, you won't be able to use the second SIM card. Now after you input the things you want to put in, you want to pick it up and then slide it back inside. Make sure it's all the way in and that it all fits nicely. Slide it all the way in, make sure it's properly inserted. And if you had multiple SIM cards inserted, you could go into settings. Here, look at mobile networks and then just choose between the two, whichever one you want to select. You can of course just set the you'll have the two options here. Select which one you want to use for what, which one you want to use as the default for calls, which one to use as the default for data. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.